What is up, guys? Sam with another video, and this is something I've never done before, and I don't know if this is something you guys want, which is a new style of videos. Guys, I'm in a predicament. I don't know if I should continue to make and upload videos every single day, or if I should, post maybe a couple times a week and have it be really quality content. So lately I've been trying a lot of new methods of editing and filming and stuff like that, just to be more creative than, just sitting here and talking about dropshipping and e-commerce and business. I want to incorporate more stuff into my videos instead of just the normal stuff. So I was thinking of ways, how can I, differentiate myself from other entrepreneurs in the YouTube niche here that are talking about dropshipping or e-commerce or Facebook ads, Instagram ads, whatever. All these people talking about that. I'm thinking to myself, how can I differentiate myself? So one thing that I know that I'm going to be doing is by doing a dropshipping challenge. I'm going to be taking a store to $10,000 in revenue, and the reason why I haven't done anything like that before is because my dropshipping course, is actually how I take a store from zero to over $1,000 a day. So this series is basically just going to be me taking an idea of having this series to making $10,000 in revenue. So I'm going to be showing step by step every single thing. So instead of uploading the videos, like every day, I'm going to film all of it, work on everything and edit it until it's completed and I make the $10,000. I have no idea how long it's going to take. It could take a week, it could take a few days, it could take a couple weeks. I have no idea. We're going to see. I'm going to film every single thing, but the reason why I'm not going to be uploading them, like back to back every day or whatever, is because I want to make sure that nobody copies the niche or anything that I'm in when I first started. And I want to give myself some time to, make sure I film everything right, I can edit it right, and make everything look good, instead of just cramming my time and trying to get everything done super fast. I want to make quality content for you guys, so that's what I'm trying to do now, and that's why I'm making this video. I want you guys to tell me in the comments below, do you want videos every single day of the normal dropshipping videos, or do you want me to incorporate some new styles of being creative and all this different stuff, these film styles, to make the videos better? So that's the first thing. I definitely want to do that series. And the second thing I want to do is some stuff like vlog, where I incorporate some good filmmaking tactics and editing and have my friends be incorporated into it, stuff like that. But, still have the overall business perspective on it, where I'm talking about business, showing things that I do outside of, my YouTube, dropshipping, and e-commerce, and marketing, and all that kind of stuff. Going to network with people, going to meet different entrepreneurs that are in different fields that live around here, all this kind of stuff. I want to show you guys sort of what my life is like, except for the fact that I have to go to school for 7 hours a day. That is one thing that sort of holds me back from travel and being able to go out and do a lot of things and not being able to work as much, is because I'm spending 7 hours a day in a classroom. So it sort of sucks, but you do what you got to do. I have a year left, and then I can finally graduate and get out of here and start traveling and working a lot more. So I want to make my content better, because I don't want to put stuff out there just to get views. I want to put stuff out there that you guys actually like to watch and will learn from. So the series will probably be my main focus right now, and I'm also going to start making a few vlog type videos or cinematic videos and things of that nature that I know you guys will enjoy. It's not going to be, completely unrelated content. And also in the comments below, I want you to let me know, what kind of videos do you think I should make? Stuff that differentiates from other people. Something that is creative. So that's basically where I want to put my channel. I want to be straight up with everything and giving you guys solid content, both from a business standpoint and a lifestyle standpoint, so you guys are able to learn and enjoy the content that I'm making at the same time. So that's my goal for the channel and the vision for it overall. And I've been talking to a few of my YouTuber friends, how do I do this and how do I get my audience to like this kind of thing? And I know you guys are going to enjoy it, so I've just been learning a lot of new stuff lately about filmmaking and about business, dropshipping, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be filming that series. Don't worry about that. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I will keep you guys updated. But for now, I'm going to keep doing daily uploads, I guess. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. I'll work on the series at the same time as doing the daily videos, unless you guys want me to do otherwise. It's completely up to you guys. You guys are in charge of this. I want you to let me know in the comments below. And I don't want to leave this video off here without me, talking about business or anything like that. Instead of just asking you guys questions and stuff. So I want to throw in a video here. This is a clip from Miami. And this video clip is a clip I really like, what I was talking about. And it just overall relates to business in your life and how to take control of your life. So I'm going to throw the clip right here. It's like 3-4 minutes. Go watch it. I know you're going to enjoy it. What's up, guys? Start with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And we are in the parking garage, the same one as we had the Maserati last time I was here. We got the 458. This thing's great. I love it. Super fun to drive around here, except for the traffic. It sucks pretty bad. But anyways, what I want to do with this video is talk about, making life decisions as a young person. It's a tough thing to do. Our brains aren't fully developed as young people. I don't remember the exact age of when your brain fully develops, but it's definitely not where I'm at now. And if you're in high school, you have all these goals, aspirations, you want to drive a car like this, you want to own a car, you want to own a giant mansion, all these materialistic things, or even mindset goals, anything that you want. You know, you have to set your mind to these things to actually make plans and achieve them. Because, you know, if you want to own a car like this isn't my car, I don't own it, it's my friend Chris's car. But if I did own this, or I wanted to own this, you know, I would have to create a plan and execute on that plan of how I was going to achieve that. I was either going to get a job, or I was going to start a business, all these things. But really, if you want to achieve big things like this, make a difference, like all these other cars, you don't see any other Ferraris around here. You know, this is standing out, and we're in the middle of Miami, you know, a place where there's multiple foreign exotic cars, rich people everywhere. But the thing is, if you want to stand out, you have to work harder than these other people. Because people that are all around here, they work 9 to 5s. I mean, not everybody around here, but I mean just in general, as a broad term around America, around the world, is that these people, they work from 9 to 5, and they're, you know, fine with their jobs. They make, you know, amount of money that's sustainable, something that they can live with, something that they can afford, you know, their nice little Honda, they can afford a nice little house for their family, they can feed themselves, and have a little bit of extra money to, you know, spend on other things that they want in life. But if you want to have a lot of spending money, things where you can buy cars like this, or own giant houses, you know, you have to work differently than all these other people. You have to figure out whether you're going to, you know, take the stand as a CEO in this big company, or you're gonna, you know, invest in something that's very lucrative and makes you a lot of money, or you're gonna start these businesses that make you a lot of money. It takes time and it takes knowledge in order to achieve that. So everything that you start, I know a lot of you guys hit me up, you're like, what's going on, man? I've had this business for 2 weeks and I'm not making money now. If you want to actually make money, you actually have to spend time, work for it, and let it happen. You can't just, you know, focus everything right in the first minutes that you start your business, because it's not going to happen immediately. Success takes time. That's why you see everybody else that is really successful, they say it takes time to get to where they are. Whether you are at a place where you've made $1 million or you've made $100 million, it takes time depending on your situation. So if you want to achieve something, set goals, make a plan, figure out how you're going to do it, whether you're going to start a business or you're going to invest in something, you know, look at the options, test multiple different options, and figure out what works. And most of all, don't listen to what other people say if you don't have to. Because one thing I was really scared of, you know, I'm nervous around people, or I'm nervous talking in front of other people, but now, you know, I've been able to overcome that because I have things that I have to do, and in order to get them done, I have to overcome those fears, or not necessarily fears, but things that I don't really like. You have to get out of your comfort zone, and when you're trying something, you start a YouTube channel, or you say you want to buy this car, and people are like, oh, you can't afford that car, you don't know what you're doing, or, you know, you can't make a YouTube channel, you're not funny, you're not smart, how are you going to do that? Then you can't listen to them. You're going to get doubters, you're going to get people that don't want you to win, they don't want you to succeed in life. But if you really want to get to where you want, don't listen to them. At first, you're probably going to listen to them and let it get to you, you know, that's how I was. But after a little while, you know, you don't really hear it anymore. It's sort of silent, or it gets a little bit funny to you because you see these people talking all this trash to you, whether it's on social media or in person, and you learn to just deal with it. It happens. If you're successful at any sort of rate, or you have these big aspirations and big goals, then people are going to judge you for that. So you have to learn how to overcome that, not let these people affect your mindset, and continue to grind, work hard, and don't let other people decide decisions for you. If you have these decisions, these goals you want to make, decide them for yourself. Figure it out and get it done. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.